Can white vinegar help with dandruff or an itchy scalp?
Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to dive into an intriguing topic. Can white vinegar help with dandruff or an itchy scalp? If you've been searching for natural solutions to these common issues, you might have come across the suggestion to use white vinegar. So, let's get into the details and see if science backs up these claims.
What causes dandruff and itchy scalp?
Before we can understand how vinegar might help, we need to understand what causes these problems in the first place. Dandruff is a common condition that causes the skin on the scalp to flake. It's often due to a yeast-like fungus called malassezia, which feeds on oils on the scalps of most adults. An itchy scalp, on the other hand, can be caused by a range of factors, from simple dryness to more serious conditions like psoriasis.
The potential of white vinegar.
Now, let's talk about white vinegar. Vinegar is a liquid consisting of about 5 to 20% acetic acid, water, and trace amounts of other chemicals, which may include flavorings. The acetic acid in it has antimicrobial properties, which can help fight skin infections and prevent the growth of certain fungi, like malassezia, potentially helping control dandruff. Additionally, vinegar is acidic, and applying it to your scalp can help balance your hair's pH levels, preventing dryness and itchiness. However, it's essential to note that while white vinegar has properties that may help with dandruff and an itchy scalp, it's not a guaranteed or universally effective solution.
How to use white vinegar for your scalp.
If you're interested in trying white vinegar, here's a simple method. Dilute the white vinegar with equal parts of water. Apply this solution directly to your scalp, and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Then, rinse it out and wash your hair as usual. It's best to do this once or twice a week. Remember, do not use undiluted vinegar on your skin as it can be harsh and potentially cause more harm than good. In conclusion, white vinegar may provide some relief for dandruff and an itchy scalp due to its antimicrobial and pH balancing properties. But remember, everyone's scalp is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you're dealing with persistent dandruff or an itchy scalp, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or dermatologist. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to healthy, happy scalps.